Okay, one more way of creating a measure is you go to the table here, right, and you right click, and then you get a prompt for add measure. So you click that and you get to the screen. So now you can add, let's say we want total profit, right? I'm going to do it again. Okay. I'm going to use sum of margin. Margin is a calculated column that we have. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to set the format. It's a good idea as you create new measures, apply format right away. Okay. So that will save you a lot of trouble afterwards. Okay. It's a good idea to set the format as you create the measures. All right. Okay, so we're going to do one more, profit percentage. Let's do this from here. So now we have the two measures, total sales and total profit, right? So it gives you with total aggregation right now, no filtering is applied. So as you type in the measures, as you create measures, the total aggregated value of the measure will be displayed. Okay, so let's see, profit percent. Okay, so see, as you type here, okay, this is where the typed text will appear, and colon equal to, all right. So we're going to do what? Total profit divided by total sales. Okay. Okay, when you, so now the percentage is shown here, but how do you apply numerical format when you create measures in this way? Usually creating measure like what I just did is probably the most convenient way of doing it instead of opening up the screen and everything. So when you create measures like this, typing it right in, so you go and right click and you format. Okay, so now you set the format, one currency, this is percentage, so I want to select number format and percentage. Okay, and 2 decimal places is good. So then it's displayed in the format that we have selected. Okay, so now let's go back here, and I'm going to create a new sheet. All right, and let's create a pivot table. Okay, and this existing table, existing sheet. All right, so now I'm going to select all right, so month name as rows. Okay, year in columns. All right, so now let's bring in total sales. Okay, or yeah, total sales, profit, and profit percentage. So we have total sales, total profit, and profit percentage. So now how is this percentage computed? So once again, the same process as before. You get the row context and then the column context. Okay, and you apply the row and column context to the underlying data table and filter those records that satisfy the two conditions, the row and column context. And then you do the computation. So here, after that, your total sales will be computed, total profit will be computed, and then the ratio will be computed. So that's how this pivot table will get created.